Hey guys, what's up? Thank you so much for coming in and wanting to hang out with me today. I'm honored to have you here with me. If you aren't subscribed yet, I would truly appreciate if you subscribe. It would mean the absolute world to me, and it really helps my channel out. Okay, let's go ahead and jump on this video because this light is giving me shit today. It keeps going out, and the last time I had two of them. One kept going out and then it started popping. So I'm scared this is either going to go out or scare the living piss out of me and start popping again. So I get to do some lamp shopping because I can't do it without this. It's too dark. But anyways, I'm going to be doing my October Boxycharm. So this is going to be $32, and that doesn't include tax or anything. It depends of where you live. So let's go ahead and start what they picked out for me first. The first two items is what they picked out. The rest is what I picked out. And I do have the Beauty Boost in this as well. Okay, so the first one is Dew of the Gods Glow-Asis, and it is a vitamin blend body lotion. Deeply hydrates, nourishes, and the scent is pumpkin sugar cookie. This has a retail value of $36. I'll go and show you the box. Now this is pretty tiny for a body lotion. So I will probably use it as a hand lotion, but it depends on the scent. I don't like eating pumpkin spice, but I like to have my candles and body lotion and things like that. I like the scent of it. And I'm a dry girl, so I will take all the hydration. This just smells like a melted candle. It is very spicy. It is just a little touch of sweetness. I think this is just good for a candle and a room spray. I really don't like it as a lotion. Yeah, I think I may use this as a hand cream. I'm going to stick this in my work bag. I have to wash my hands a lot at work because I'm a server. Every few minutes I'm washing it. My hands get extremely dry, so this will help. And hopefully people don't get off-put by the scent. If anybody mentions it, one of my customers, I'll stop using it and maybe use it at home. But I would definitely not repurchase this when I'm out. And it is 3.38 ounces. The bottle's gorgeous. Okay, the second thing is going to be by Lith Cosmetics. And does it say Estraddle eyeshadow palette? I am wearing this entire palette on my eyes today. I have tested it out at work for a few days. The pigment does stay. Now I'm looking at the reviews. It has really bad reviews. So out of 5, it has 3.3. People said it wasn't pigmented. I did have to build it up. They said the shimmer was not good. It was with me because I use NYX glitter glue. I tap it on and I think it's gorgeous. Now, the retail value on it is going to be $32. Do I think it's worth $32? Absolutely not. Do I think this is pretty and will I use this, especially at work? Absolutely. Make sure my big fat head's out of here. So I'll do a couple of swatches. I want to make sure this lotion is off because I don't want to affect how you see it. But definitely use the NYX glitter glue with it. I was really happy at the end of the day. My eyeshadow looked the same. But the black, you did have to build it up in the corner, but I don't mind that. And it is powdery. But that doesn't bother me. I just swirl and tap my brush. Like I said, I really enjoyed it. Okay, the items I picked out. I am so stinking excited. I've been wanting to try this blush for a while. It is by Rare Beauty. It is the Soft Pinch Dewy Liquid Blush. I know I'm one of the last people that have not tried this, so I'm glad to finally try it, and it is gorgeous. I am wearing this as well today, and this couldn't be more of a perfect color for me. This is Entourage, and I will definitely pick up more. This is something when I put my powder on, you can still see it. I'm just so freaking happy to get this. It's like a dusty rose. Absolutely stunning. And it is really pigmented, so a little goes a long way. And this one is a retail value of $25. The next item I picked out is by Lunar Beauty, and it's the Outer Dimension Bronzing and Sculpting Stick. And I got the shade Light Sky. I am wearing this today as well. I have tested the blush and this. It lasts. It does not move. It does not budge. Even with me pouring sweat, it stays in place. I am so happy with the blush and with this. So with me being fair skinned, I have to be very careful. And I have some bronzers I like, but I still have to be very careful because with my fair skin, it can go bad very quickly. It will look too harsh on me. It will pull orange on me. So it's hard for me to find a good bronzing stick. The bronzer I'm using right now, my favorite was the Chanel one. I did have to be careful with that, but with how much it costed, I did not want to sit there and go through it fast, so that was fine for me. And then the one that I fell in love with and I've been using because it's a lot cheaper is by Number 7, and it's in a pot like the Chanel one, and I've been using that. But I still have to be careful. Sometimes when I'm not paying attention, I'll look, I'm like, oh, I went too heavy. Oh, it does not look good. So I have to be very careful. This, I don't have to be careful. I don't ever do it. It blends like a dream. And I like the consistency of it. Now, I do see that it only has 4 out of the 5 stars, I believe. 3.8 out of 5. Some people said it's too oily. My skin loved it. I have the desert skin. It's like the Sahara Desert. Not even joking. Any kind of moisture I really, really, really need. I do set it with a powder, with a setting powder, and it does not move. But the color, the performance on it, once it's in place and blended, it does not move after you set it. And I'm going to show you how gorgeous this is. And the only problem I had is that I love it so much. I'm like, this is more expensive than my Number 7. But I'm like, I'm going to bite the bullet when I'm out of this and repurchase it. But when I was looking at the price today on the Ipsy site, it's in the shop and it's marked down from $25 to $13. The squeal I made, I'm glad nobody was in the room with me. I got so excited. I went in and I bought 4. So I am backed up. I don't want to run out of this. And what was cool is they had kind of a little free gift if you spent so much. So I got a lip mask as well. Check the site if you were interested in trying this, because if you didn't get this box and you wanted to try it, pick it up for $13. That is like drugstore prices. Some drugstore is even more expensive than $13. Like I said, I have very, very dry skin. So if you have oily skin, you may not like this. It may be too much for you. I think that normal skin can pull this off. I will not be without this. If I didn't get the sale, I would have still picked it up at full price. That is how amazing this Lunar Beauty bronzing stick is. I'm trying to think. I think I've tried a brush from them or something, but this knocked my socks off. This was absolutely incredible. Okay, the last item that I picked out is by Glow Girl Cosmetics, and this is a Whipped Radiance Blur Primer in Fair Light. It does not add very much color. It gives you a very small kiss of glow. You could wear this out with no makeup and it wouldn't be too much. There are some glowing primers that you just look weird. You don't look good. It doesn't flatter you. So you have to be careful with that. This you can go with or without makeup. Does this make my makeup last longer? I don't think so, but it makes my skin look amazing, so I'm willing to put this on and thus then go less heavy with my foundation. I hope that makes sense, and I hope I'm describing how I like to use it. Now it says blurring. I have saucers for pores. They are humongous. I didn't see a blurring effect, but like I said, I will definitely finish this up. And this has a retail value of $35. I wouldn't spend that. Before I blend it out, let me show you a swatch of it. When you use the amount that you're supposed to, it doesn't alter how your skin tone is. You can't wear this instead of foundation, but it gives you a nice glow. And this is very heavy-handed. Now this is on sale in the Ipsy shop as well currently for $7. I see it marked over here. So far as my box, am I happy with what I got? Before I go into the Beauty Boost, this has been the best box I have received for a very long time. I have not been this happy with all the products. I just saw a big influencer review this, so I don't know if this Lunar Beauty is a brand new product and it's already in the box. So I'm really, really happy with this. I am ecstatic to try that. I mean, I love absolutely everything. The only thing that I'm not ecstatic about is the body lotion. Everything else I'm in love with. I hope the boxes after this are just as good or better because, like I said, I can't remember the last time I was this happy with an Ipsy box or Boxycharm box. I am so damn tickled. I am so happy, and I did not mind spending the $32. There's sometimes the choices suck, and I'm like, I really don't want anything. This month is going to be awful. I'm dreading getting this box. I'm not looking forward to it. When I made my choices, I was looking at the tracking. I was stalking that site because I could not wait to get this. And the fact that everything performed as well as it did, I'm so freaking happy. Okay, so Beauty Boost. This is an extra $15 a month added to the $32. And of course that doesn't include tax. I wish they would stop freaking taxing the $15. If you pay the $15 and you already paid the tax for the freaking box, they throw this in already. Why are they adding more fees to it? That I wish they would stop. Now, I'm going to be contradicting myself. Before I said I would like to see like $99 and up of a value. This is only a value of $68. This month I'm not that mad because I really like a good vitamin C and I've heard a lot of people rave about it. So this is the Drunk Elephant. So this is a very high-end brand. This is not a brand that they just put a high value on that you've never even heard of, or you just see them in subscription boxes. So they mark it up extremely high and you don't know if this is the actual value or it's just a value that they put in there to boost the box's value up. So this one, I like that it's a big name. So here it is, Drunk Elephant C Luma Hydro Bright Serum. So even though it's only $68, I'm really happy. The other thing that I wish they would work on with the Beauty Boost, I wish they would give you more choices of higher end stuff. Stop sticking things with a little value in there and say, okay, here it is. Because of course you want to make sure that you're getting the value for your extra $15. Every dollar counts nowadays. Everything is so damn expensive so that we are forking over the $15. Give us more choices because the vitamin C wouldn't be for everybody. So make sure that you're making everybody that is subscribed to it happy. But that is the end of my box. I couldn't be any happier. I'm telling you, I am so excited for Choice coming up because I want to see if this box keeps getting better. because I haven't been ecstatic about a box for a very long time, and this is a good feeling. It feels like Christmas. So the fact that I feel spoiled with this box, that I just can't put into words how happy I am. I hope it's coming across, but that is my video for today. I hope that you enjoyed hanging out with me. Your opinion really matters to me, so if there is something that you would like to see my channel go in a direction, I'm open for your opinions. I know not all people are open to that, but I know I'm not perfect. I have a long way to go. I'm still trying to find my groove. I'm not trying to be as hard on myself, because I think that in past videos, I've tried to hold myself to such perfection, I may be coming off as fake. It's hard to break that German perfection down in myself and say, no, just go be there, be authentic, don't be perfect. No one is perfect. So why are you trying to achieve that? So that is what I'm trying to do, give myself grace. So even if the video is not perfect, I'm stumbling over my words, that I'm just going to put it out, and I hope that you still enjoy my videos. Like I said, please, if you have any feedback, give it to me. I welcome it in, and I'm sorry that I'm not consistent with my videos. I just got over some issues with my medication. When I go through my health haul, I'll kind of talk about that, because I've kind of learned a few lessons with my medication. I take a weight loss medication, and then right after that, I got the worst flu ever. I've never experienced a flu like that. I was extremely nauseous, and then every single time I got out of bed, I would get extremely dizzy. The room wouldn't stop spinning, and I kept passing out. I have not missed work for 13 years. Sick, no matter what, they can count on me that I'm there. I had to miss over a week of work because of how sick I was. So then after I got better, what did I have to do? I had to clean the house, do laundry, because all that crap adds up. So I had to be an adult and make sure my house was tip-top, back to normal. So it has been a roller coaster, but I'm trying my best. I have a full-time job. I am doing my fitness at the gym. That is pretty much a full-time job. And then being a mom and everything else. You know how it is. Life sometimes gets in your way. I wish that I can do this as my full-time job. My videos will probably not suck as bad. But oh well, what can you do? You just are dealt with the cards that you get. But I look forward to seeing you in my next video. I love you so much, guys. Bye.